Welcome to the Wee's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make oxtail in an Instant Pot. Let's get it going.
I be in the kitchen just fixing something to eat, giving out my recipes to the whole world for free. Make sure you subscribe if you like what you see. Catch me in the kitchen. What's my name? Alvin Weeks. I welcome you to the Weeks Kitchen. I'm just in here cooking. Now let's go.
Today we're going to prepare 4 pounds of oxtail. We're going to use this Blue Mountain Country oxtail seasoning. This is all you need. This seasoning right here, it has what? Sea salt, red pepper, thyme, celery seed, allspice, paprika, garlic, onion, and sugar. This is all you need. Go get you some. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons. I say that's 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna rub her in. Use my hands, get in there. Get my Instant Pot on the saute mode.
We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the rules ain't no lie, we can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price to the level sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Banks and ranks come from mash up the place.
Children must unite. Life is worth much more than gold. We're jamming, and we're jamming in the name of the Lord. We're jamming. Look out, we're jamming right straight from your. And the rules ain't no power. We can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price to the level sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Banks and ranks come for done the place.
Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and
and ranks come from mash up the place. Yeah, bunks and ranks.
Ooh, yeah. Well, all right, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the rules ain't no vow. We can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price to deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bunks and ranks come from mash up the place.
Quick oxtail in an Instant Pot, completed. You got to try this recipe. Let's take a look at it. What we have here is some oxtail, some coconut rice, beautiful, tender. Let me show you a little something here. Take a look at this tenderness right here. Just with a fork. I don't even need a knife. Take a look at that. The tenderness. Now this is how you make an oxtail dish with some coconut rice, like a chef, Boyel Weeks. Always remember, be kind.